Expanding your audio and video tracks. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to expand our tracks in the timeline. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to this section right by the eye. If you hold the Option key down on your Mac and use the scroll wheel or use the mouse to just push up or push down, notice that we can expand the tracks. And the same thing with the audio. If you come down near the icon which says voiceover, and if you again drag down, you can expand the tracks. Now, another way of doing that, if you come in here and you just click and drag up, you can expand the tracks that way. And down here, if you just click right here and drag down, you can expand the tracks that way. So in this quick tutorial, we've looked at how to expand the tracks using Premiere Pro. Thank you for taking time out of your day.